So in this video, we are going to understand the other half of Amazon Cognito, which is to manage identity pool. Manage identity or identity pool is to provide AWS credentials to grant your user access to the other AWS services. So why do we need it? Consider a situation where I have to provide access to say about five users. So I'll simply go and create user and then provide access to those five users to my AWS services. So that's how we can do that this thing with IAM. But what if the user count is way high? The For example, if I have to provide access to say about 5,000 or 50,000 users to my AWS services, then how do we do that? In that case, creating IAM user for those many users would be very bad technique or way. So in that case, we can create simply identity pool and provide access to AWS services. So how do we do that? Let's go on and create an app for that. So demo identity app. We get a lot of options. First is to provide access to unauthenticated users. So if we have a requirement, or if our app is going to be something like doesn't have users pool and need to provide access to users on temporary basis, we can do that with the help of this option called enable access to unauthenticated identities. How it does this? It basically creates temporary token which lasts from 15 minutes to 1 hour through Amazon SGS service, and provide access to the guest users to our AWS services. But if we have if we have uh, a user database or identity database, then we can integrate our identity pool app with the federated identity providers. For example, Cognito, Amazon, Apple, Google, Twitter. So, or if I assume I'm going to, have other identity providers, if I want to integrate it with OpenID, SAMLs. For example, we have Okta or Microsoft Active User Directory. So we can integrate such active directory with OpenID connected SAML from this section. So for now, I do not have such user data. So I'll be going with this option: enable access to unauthenticated identities, create the pool. So this way we can create the pool. Now it on this page, which if you guys see, this is actually doing some processing. Let's wait for a second. Oh, okay. So now it is going to ask me like what role want to assign. So I'll go on create cancel for saving some time. Now I'll come back onto this page where I can simply use my create this identity or use SDK version of this Amazon Cognito and get started. And then on this identity browser, if I presume this any identity, I can check out like how many users have logged in, and so I can check out from this graph how many users were authenticated, how many users were unauthenticated. So I can check out from this dashboard. For sample code, I have already explained we can integrate it with this SDK and sample code. Identity provider, I have explained a place where I can attach to my identities. Okay, so that's all about identity pool, and that's all about use Amazon Cognito. Thank you.